Abdullah, when it comes to concepts like mutable and immutable infrastructure, how do they fit in this IAC?
Right. So mutable means changeable infrastructure. Right? So in some low-scale use cases, or when you are just creating some prototype, right, it might just fit to create infrastructure. Like if it's just 2 or 3 servers, which you know that you can quickly update and upgrade and create a new version or revision of the product that you are trying to get to market, right? Then it might work, right? And that's where mutability comes into place, right?
Mm-hmm.
But anything that you go beyond like 10 servers, right? If you are planning to create faster releases and all that, right? That's where the immutable infrastructure comes in. And immutable infrastructure is powered by ISC. What that essentially means is that once you deploy something, right, to release a new version, you rip out the full infrastructure and create a new one. This opens up possibilities like creating another stack of the same deployment, creating canary rollouts, or splitting the traffic in a controlled way to the newly created environment. And only when all of your tests pass, then cutting over fully to the new environment and destroying the old one. Like that's where the immutability principle comes in, that your infrastructure is immutable. It goes down in one shot and it's updated in one shot. But at the same time, it happens concurrently, right? So you have 2 parallel stacks going up and you roll out traffic to one, and once all of the things are satisfied, you tear down the old one. You can still have mutable deployments with ISC as well, right? For example, if you can have rolling upgrades, right, where you have 5 servers and you upgrade one after the other, etc. Right? But that comes up with the cons of reduced operational capacity. Like for example, if you do rolling and you have 5 servers, your first server goes down, now you have 4 servers remaining. So your capacity is reduced for your production traffic. Now the first one comes up, the second one goes down to be upgraded, right? So that's where there are differences between mutable and immutable infrastructure. And it becomes a nightmare once something goes wrong and you have to redeploy, right? And with rolling approaches, now even your getting back to the right version is scattered across these downtimes, right? So it balloons up quickly. So there are different approaches, right, to minimize these things, but if in doubt, go with the immutable.